Hey everyone, Kevin Mangle here. Today I'm going to show you in ManyChat how to use a keyword that people can DM you in your Facebook business page or your Instagram page, and you can use it to boost your sales. Okay. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to ManyChat now. I have a Facebook business page. I also have my Instagram page. So I'm going to Instagram first. I'm going to click on automation and click on new automation, and they have a bunch of templates here, but I'm gonna start from scratch. Okay, and basically we're gonna start with a new trigger, and these are the options that we have. User clicks on an Instagram ad, user comments on a post or reel. That's very powerful. User replies to your story, user clicks on a referral link, user sends a direct message with a keyword, user comments on your live. So this one we're going to do today is where a user sends a direct message with a keyword, and this can be very powerful because it's a way that you can kind of find out people's interest in what you're offering. So I'm going to click on user sends direct message with a keyword, and today you could put anything useful. It could be, book, ebook, whatever keywords related to your sale of what you're trying to offer. In this case, I'm going to put funnel just because, maybe I want to see if people are interested in getting a funnel website created by me. Now, another thing is I can put a second keyword. So I'm going to put website. All right. Now from here, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and click create. All right, and then so now that trigger has been created. So when a user sends a direct message to me in Instagram with the word funnel or website, then I will have this automatic message appear. Okay, so this is going to be this is going to be a lot of fun. This could be something that I feel is very powerful that you guys can use. Okay, and I'm going to be using more of it. So I'm going to add text here. I'm going to say, hey. Now you can make it a general message like, hey, thanks for your interest, in the topic. But you can also click here where you see these brackets here, and you can actually select first name, in which Instagram or Facebook will pull that person's first name from their interaction with you, and it'll say, hey Kevin, or hey Lisa, or hey Tom. So, thank you for your interest in getting your own funnel website for your business. And then what you can do is something like, you can if you notice here, you can add text, you can add an image, video, audio. You can also add user input with the pro version, where you can ask them for their email address or something like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to keep this video kind of simple, and from here it says thank you for your interest in getting your own funnel website. And what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and capture their email address. So I'll say please enter the best email address for you to be reached at. And I'm just kind of winging it. You can alter this message any way you want, and then basically I'm, like I said, just keeping it simple. So I'm going to click on user input here, and we're going to say what is your email address, and then it's going to be text, and then we're going to click here, and we're going to choose next step. It's going to be another message. Okay, and then basically from here I'm going to go ahead and put appreciate you. I'm going to say click the button below to save instantly on the purchase of your funnel website. And then I'm going to click on we're going to go ahead and put add button here. This is kind of in the way. Oh, there's a limit on how many characters it can be. I'll just put click here now, and then when the button's pressed, I'm going to have it open a website, and then just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to put my home page. You can also add additional actions like adding a tag. That's kind of a good way to track people once you get their contact information. So you could have an additional action here, and the action is going to be add a tag, and we can just say we'll just select discount. It was a tag that I had already created. Alright, and that's it. So what we can do is when you're ready to make it live, you can click here where it says that live, automation is live. You can also click where it says preview, where you can preview it in ManyChat. You can preview it on Instagram. So I'm going to preview it in ManyChat. Okay, and normally, like I said, it would have said my name. What is your email address? Take a step back here. Give it a name. Click here where it says next step. There we go. Okay, click update. All right, boom. There it is. Appreciate you. Click the button below to go to our website, and it's going to take me out to my site here, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. I hope this is helpful. And so if you like this training and you want to have your own copy of my ManyChat automation templates, just send me a DM with the keyword DM discount. That's D as in Delta, M as in Mary, and the word discount with no space. And I will send you that information as you requested. And you can get my templates at a discount. So thank you so much. I hope you got value from this video. Have a great day and take care.